Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a deliciously intriguing topic: how AI is stepping into the breakfast arena to predict what you'll munch on in the morning. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine waking up to a world where your breakfast choices are not just a matter of what's in the fridge, but rather a high-tech prediction from your friendly neighborhood AI. Now, you might be thinking, can a robot really know I'm craving pancakes over a smoothie? Well, it turns out, AI can analyze your past breakfast habits, the weather, and even your mood to serve up the perfect morning meal suggestion. It's like having a personal chef who knows you better than you know yourself, minus the awkward small talk. In a world where AI is already influencing everything from shopping to streaming, why not let it transform our breakfast decisions too? So, grab your coffee, and let's explore how this tech can turn your morning routine from mundane to magnificent. Breakfast. The most important meal of the day, or so they say. But let's be honest, when the morning rolls around, many of us find ourselves in a breakfast pickle. Do you go for the classic pancakes, the trendy avocado toast, or maybe a refreshing smoothie? With so many delicious options, it's no wonder we often stare blankly into the fridge, contemplating our life choices. The struggle is real. You might think, should I indulge in those fluffy pancakes or keep it healthy with a smoothie? And just when you think you've made a decision, your taste buds throw a curveball, leaving you second-guessing. Enter AI, your new breakfast buddy. Imagine having a smart assistant that takes all your preferences into account and suggests the perfect breakfast based on your mood, cravings, and even the weather outside. With AI in your corner, you can say goodbye to breakfast indecision and hello to delicious mornings. Let's see how this tech can simplify our breakfast dilemmas. Introducing Flapjack, your quirky AI breakfast assistant. With a personality as bubbly as a freshly poured glass of orange juice, Flapjack is here to revolutionize your morning routine. Picture this. Flapjack, with a virtual chef's hat and a penchant for puns, pops up on your screen, ready to serve up breakfast wisdom. Good morning, sunshine. Ready to flip your breakfast game? Flapjack uses advanced data analysis to understand your unique tastes. It knows you love pancakes on Mondays, smoothies on Wednesdays, and that you're a sucker for avocado toast when it's raining. But don't worry, Flapjack won't judge if you decide to have cereal for dinner. Imagine waking up to Flapjack saying, "Hey there. I noticed you're feeling a bit sluggish today. How about a protein-packed smoothie to kickstart your day? Or perhaps, it's pancake day. Let's make it a flipping good one." With Flapjack by your side, breakfast indecision will be a thing of the past, and mornings will be filled with laughter and tasty choices. Welcome to the breakfast of the future, where your morning meal might just come from a sci-fi movie. Thanks to AI, we're not just talking about your typical eggs and toast anymore. Imagine lab-grown eggs that taste like they were laid by a chicken named Henrietta, who only eats organic kale. Or how about 3D printed pancakes shaped like your favorite cartoon characters? Breakfast just got a whole lot more fun, and a little weird. AI is already analyzing dietary trends and preferences, predicting that in the near future, we might see breakfast items tailored to our individual needs. Feeling sluggish? How about a superfood smoothie infused with the essence of unicorns? Or perhaps a breakfast burrito that adjusts its spice level based on your mood, mild for Mondays and fiery for Fridays. And let's not forget the outrageous predictions: breakfast-flavored ice cream or cereal that sings to you while you eat. With AI at the helm, the future of breakfast is bound to be deliciously unpredictable. Let's talk about how AI is shaking up our breakfast game. Imagine waking up to a world where meal planning is as easy as saying, "Hey, Flapjack, what's for breakfast?" With AI at your service, you can wave goodbye to the morning scramble and hello to convenient meal suggestions tailored just for you. Whether you're counting calories or trying to sneak in more greens, AI can help manage your dietary needs like a pro. But let's not forget the potential for personalized nutrition. Picture this. AI analyzes your eating habits and suggests a breakfast that's not only delicious but also perfectly aligned with your health goals. How about a kale smoothie with a side of optimism? It might chirp. Of course, there could be some hilarious mishaps along the way. Imagine Flapjack suggesting a breakfast of pickles and peanut butter because it detected a craving for something unique. You might find yourself questioning your life choices while munching on that bizarre combo. With AI, breakfast could be a delightful adventure, just with a few quirky detours. Now it's your turn to get in on the breakfast fun. We want to hear from you. What's your all-time favorite breakfast item and why? Is it the classic pancakes that remind you of lazy Sunday mornings, or perhaps a smoothie that fuels your busy weekdays? Drop your answers in the comments below, and let's see which breakfast reigns supreme. But wait, there's more. We've created a fun poll just for you. Would you rather have a breakfast burrito that sings to you or a bowl of cereal that dances? Vote in the poll and let us know your choice. And we're all ears for your hilarious breakfast stories influenced by AI. Did your AI assistant once suggest a bizarre combination that left you scratching your head? Share your tales of breakfast mishaps or unexpected delights. Let's create a community of breakfast enthusiasts who can laugh, share, and maybe even inspire each other's next morning meal. We can't wait to read your comments and stories. What a delicious journey we've had exploring the whimsical world of AI and its role in predicting our breakfast choices. From our quirky AI assistant, Flapjack, to futuristic breakfast trends like lab-grown eggs and 3D printed pancakes, we've seen how technology can add a sprinkle of fun to our morning routines. We've also highlighted how AI can simplify everyday decisions, making meal planning a breeze and personalizing nutrition to fit our unique tastes. Who knew that breakfast could be so entertaining and innovative? Now, we want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this humorous exploration of AI in the breakfast realm, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more entertaining content. Give us a thumbs up if you laughed, and share this video with your friends who might need a little breakfast inspiration, or a good chuckle. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments, and who knows? Your next breakfast might just be a Flapjack-approved masterpiece. Thanks for joining us, and happy breakfasting.